Elaine, thank you so much for joining us. And I would love to have you tell us a little bit about what you do.
Well, I own Roxy's Ice Cream Catering Truck. I specialize in large events, employee appreciation days, corporate events, weddings, big parties like out in the Hamptons. That was prior to COVID-19.
How was business before the pandemic and during the pandemic, before you took the course?
Before the pandemic, I was doing employee appreciation days with large corporations. I was doing fairs and festivals on the weekends.
Hmm.
That all shut down due to COVID-19. So I had to shift gears last year. So what I shifted gears to do was these small drive-by parties. I worked 4 times as hard and made half the money, but we got through.
What's the one thing what was your favorite thing you got out of the workshop?
I think my favorite thing was all the other people in my group. They were able to show me things through their eyes versus my eyes.
And by taking the workshop, what's the one thing you're going to implement?
I was thinking about doing a mailing, so
Gotcha.
I think that'll help me greatly.
Great. And then it was the encouragement of the people in your group that said, okay, Elaine, no, you're not crazy. You can do this.
Yes, absolutely.
Great.
Yes.
Love it.